In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can restore and fix your invalid business name error on Google Merchant Center. So let's get started. So once you see over here, if you see your profile ID and Merchant Center ID over here, now if you see your name, now if you go to the fix, you may see over here that apart from misrepresentation, they have invalid business name error. Now in order to fix this invalid business name, you can see over here that this is a provided name and the used name. So now this doesn't comply with Google policy, so I'm going to fix in front of you, so you can see over here that this is going to be fixed. So go into business info from on your left side, and in the left side business info, go into edit business detail over here. So once you click on edit business detail, you may see your name over here. Now if I write the domain name over here and click the save over here, and if I save over here, and if I move back over here, and if I go to overview, and if I see my fix to see the error, you may see that the error no longer presents over here. So you can see that this error is no longer available over here. And if I'm going to, you can see over here that this is the only error now. The invalid business error is no longer over here. So I hope you like the quick tutorial on how you can solve your invalid business name on Google Merchant Center. Thank you.